Hello friends, welcome to our channel Random Dictation. Subscribe our channel for regular dictations on daily basis. Ready? A company is a separate legal persona, and the fact that all its shares are owned by one person or by the parent company has nothing to do with its separate legal existence. Stop. If the owned company is wound up, the liquidator and not its parent company would get hold of the assets of the subsidiary. Stop. In none of the authorities have the assets of the subsidiary been held to be those of the parent unless it is acting as an agent. Stop. Thus, even though a subsidiary may normally comply with the request of a parent company, it is not just a puppet of the parent company. Stop. The difference is between having power or having a persuasive position. Stop. Though it may be advantageous for parent and subsidiary companies to work as a group, each subsidiary will look to see whether there are separate commercial interests which should be guarded. Stop para. When there is a parent company with subsidiaries, is it or is it not the law that the parent company has the power over the subsidiaries? Stop. It depends on the facts of each case. Stop. For instance, take the case of a one-man company where only one man is the shareholder, perhaps holding 99% of the shares, his wife holding 1%. Stop. In those circumstances, his control over the company may be so complete that it is his alter ego. Stop. But in case of multinationals, it is important to realize that their subsidiaries have a great deal of autonomy in the country concerned, except where subsidiaries are created or used as a sham. Stop. Of course, in many cases, the courts do lift up a corner of the veil, but that does not mean that they alter the legal position between the companies. Stop. Para. The directors of the subsidiary under their articles are the managers of the companies. Stop. If new directors are appointed even at the request of the parent company, and even if such directors were removable by the parent company, such directors of the subsidiary will owe their duty to their companies within bracket subsidiaries. Stop. They are not to be dictated by the parent company if it is not in the interests of those companies within bracket subsidiaries. Stop. The fact that the parent company exercises shareholders' influence on its subsidiaries cannot obliterate the decision making power or authority of its within bracket subsidiaries directors. Stop. They cannot be reduced to be puppets. Stop. The decisive criterion is whether the parent company's management has such staring interference with the subsidiary's core activities that the subsidiary can no longer be regarded to perform those activities on the authority of its own executive directors. Stop para. Before dealing with the submissions advanced on behalf of the revenue, we need to appreciate the reason for execution of the SPA. Stop. Exit is an important right of an investor in every strategic investment. Stop. The present case concerns transfer of investment in entirety. Stop. As stated above, exit coupled with continuity of business is one of the important telltale circumstance which indicates the commercial oblique business substance of the transaction. Stop.